Hello, my name is Evelyn Fagbola, and I made this video to summarize the use of laser surgery and its scientific concepts. In this video, we will discuss the concept of laser surgery. This is basically what laser surgery is. Then I will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of laser surgery to see if it's a good choice or not, then the process, and lastly, the use of scientific concepts, including reflection, to benefit the patient in laser surgery.
So, what is it?
To commence this informational video, the concept of laser surgery must be understood. Laser surgery is the use of focused light to perform medical procedures such as removing wrinkles, shrinking tumors, improving vision, etc. This is usually done in a clinic or hospital operating room. The patient is given an anesthetic before the procedure, then the doctor will aim the laser at the tissue to be treated, then the laser beam heats up and vaporizes the abnormal cells, therefore fixing the problem. This is a good process, but it could be dangerous, which brings me to my next slide. We will discuss the risks of laser surgery and its benefits.
Laser light can be dangerous in many ways. Firstly, if the power of the laser is too high, it can cause more damage to the affected area than before. It is good, however, because it allows the doctor to improve timely implications. Then there is reflection. Laser surgery sometimes uses reflection to produce stronger beams. We'll expand more on this later. Lastly, lasers are more precise than traditional surgical instruments. They cause less damage to the tissue, and operations are much shorter. Moving on to reflection, I will talk about its definition, the law of reflection, and its contribution to laser surgery. Reflection is sometimes defined as a change in the direction of a light ray when it bounces off a surface. According to the law of reflection, every reflected instance has an incident ray, angle of incidence, a normal, a reflected ray, and an angle of reflection. The incident ray is a ray of light that travels from the light source to the surface, and the reflected ray is a ray of light that reflects when the incident ray and the normal meet. The law of reflection is used in making stronger beams for lasers. Stronger beams are more effective, but they reflect UV rays from the atmosphere to the laser, and these rays can cause cancerous cells to go into the skin. This is very likely depending on how many times laser surgery is done. Now, we have reached the end of the presentation. Thanks for watching!
Created using Powtoon.